Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
95 degrees out there, and for us, that is a wicked scorcher.
Yeah, it is hot. We're going to be record rivaling temperatures this afternoon. The record's 96. Now, it's got to happen at TF Green Airport.
All right, but we're close. We're in the running here.
You know, if we're at 95, we might as well just do it, right? All right, well, this is the tropical satellite. Obviously, a lot of attention focused right now on Hurricane Earl as it continues to spin in the northern Caribbean. You can see its movement over the last 12 hours there, drifting off to the west and northwest. I'm going to talk more about the track of Earl coming up, but live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar right now continuing to show the dry and storm-free conditions over our area with CityCam. Hey, we're hard-pressed to even find a cloud in the sky. The humidity up slightly from yesterday. It's still not oppressive, but you take a 90-degree temperature and you factor in even low humidity, and it feels like 96. A northwest wind at about 3 miles an hour. So it is stiflingly hot coming off the bus this afternoon. 90 to 95 under mostly sunny skies. Again, the record 96 set back in 1953. I actually have us coming in just under that record at TF Green. I'm forecasting a high of about 95. But, you know, even at the coastline with those north and westerly winds switching to the west, it's going to hit 90. Most areas, westerly Charlestown, about 92 in Wickford. Northern Rhode Island, you're high in the low to mid 90s under mainly sunny skies. And out towards Taunton, Fall River, low 90s there. 91 Westport. The average high for the last day of August, by the way, only 80 degrees. So the beach, if you can sneak away, maybe coming off of first day of school, not a bad place to go. 87 degrees, water temperature 70. There's still a low risk of rip currents today, but starting to churn up the seas. This is, again, Hurricane Earl will be churning up the seas over the next a couple of days up and down the East Coast. Very large storm. Again, tropical storm force winds extend outwards up to 200 miles. And the hurricane winds now at 132 miles per hour. It's basically holding in terms of its strength from what we had at 5 o'clock this morning. Gusts to 161. And in fact, in the latest track from Hurricane Earl, this is information Justin, you can see where it stays a Category 4 storm over the next 2 days before starting to weaken as it moves up the East Coast. They could see some tropical storm force winds, North Carolina and Virginia. And from there, very key to us will be that turn that we start to see it take to the north and east. And the track here hasn't changed much over the last 24 hours for our area, and that is a track to the south and east of Nantucket, remaining offshore, and the system weakening as it does brush by us probably late Friday night into early Saturday morning. It's going to be moving very quickly as it does. We're still in that cone of uncertainty where the track could shift closer to us, which would mean more of an impact, or farther away, which would mean less of an impact. But we're definitely still considering that a very close call for us Friday and Friday night. Very rough surf, rip currents late in the week and through much of the holiday weekend. The track's going to be key here with rain and wind grazing the shore. We do have a risk of some tropical storm force winds right now on that given track with the Cape, Nantucket, most likely to see those. And the good news here is that our computer models are still indicating that the eye of this storm remains offshore, which means that the worst of the hurricane will remain out over the ocean. In the short term, we're talking heat wave through Thursday. Friday night would be Earl's impact. Still windy Saturday, but clearing out. So, even though the storm has bad timing arriving at the start of the Labor Day weekend, at least it doesn't hang around. We're talking in and out in probably 6 to 8 hours.
Not bad. Doable. Very doable.
As long as the track doesn't change, doable.
Yeah. From this distance, from Tuesday, it looks fine.
As long as those computers don't change their minds, right?
Exactly.
Or Earl, for that matter.
Earl is the one.